To perform a backup on Oppo A6 Pro 5G, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter Wi-Fi. Here, make sure that you have a Wi-Fi connection established and you have Wi-Fi network connected. Otherwise, if you're using mobile data, it will consume a lot of it. So if you want, you can, but I wouldn't recommend it. Now, when it's ready, we can scroll all the way down and then enter System and Update. Go for Backup and Reset right here. Then you can make sure that you have a Google Backup set up. This is, I think, the best way that you can perform a backup on any Android device. So here I have my account, and that is the account that the backup will be saved for. And now when we have that ready as well, we can go for Backup and Migrate on the top. And there's two options. You can clone your phone and migrate data from this device to your other device if you have the other device ready, or you can perform a local backup. In this case, I will focus on a local backup as we just want to back up everything that we have on our device. Then when we are here, we can perform a new backup. Then it may take some time to find the data that you may want to backup. In this case, I'm going to backup contacts, preference settings, and the apps. Now we can click on Start. And our device should start performing the backup for all of our files. Okay, so the backup failed with some of the preference settings. Sadly, we cannot do anything about it. It's just a weather widget. So I'm just gonna exit it right here because the backup is still here, but or not. So let's try again. If you have an error, then preview it. Make sure that you disable the service where the backup have failed for, and then start again. Okay, so the backup is completed. Now this will be stored as a file on your phone, and you can always click on your backup right here and then instantly restore it on your phone. Or if you want to transfer it to your other device, then just simply find the file in the directory that is showing up each time you create a backup, and then transfer it to your other device and perform the import of a backup. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.